Hi, this is Rob Gregory from Magnifica, and in this demo I'm going to take you through our Magnifica SharePoint app for ClearBooks. As we explained in part 1 of this blog, we use a number of hosted products and tools to run our business here at Magnifica. We use things like SharePoint and Office 365 for document management, collaboration, and to manage all of our projects. We also use SharePoint to store our client records, which is what you can see here in front of you. This is obviously just demonstration data for today's demo. We also use a product called ClearBooks, which is a UK-based hosted SaaS product. We use this for all our bookkeeping purposes, preparing our accounts, and for generating quotes and invoices for our clients. Again, this is a demonstration version of that, just for the purposes of today's presentation. So everyone at Magnifica has access to SharePoint and Office 365 for all our document management purposes. However, for obvious reasons, not everyone has access to ClearBooks. That said, we find it really useful when we're talking to clients for everybody to have access to recent quotes and invoices. It just helps with those conversations around project progress. So we wanted to look at a way of linking these two applications together, these two systems together. So how did we do that? Well, using the new app model from SharePoint, we've built a really simple, really elegant solution that allows anyone with access to Office 365, SharePoint, to have access to ClearBooks invoices. So how does it work? Well, quite simply, the Magnifica SharePoint app for ClearBooks can be installed against any list in SharePoint, any installation of SharePoint. There's just one requirement really, and that's that the list has one field in it. If I just go to the list settings, it has to have a field called ClearBooks ID. And this field here is quite simply it's just a number field, and this is the entity ID over in ClearBooks for a client record. So once it's installed, the app adds a new custom action to the list item context menu. So you can see here for Rolls-Royce, we've got a view invoices list item down at the bottom of the context menu. And if I click on that link now, in our app, what that does, it actually takes the user to a provider hosted page. This page fits right inside the SharePoint look and feel. So it really feels like you're inside the one application, although we are accessing information from ClearBooks. And this is the page where we actually use the ClearBooks API to go and return all the invoices for the selected client. So in this example for Rolls-Royce, we've got 4 invoices listed. If I just click on one of those, we can see that although this user does not have access to ClearBooks, they do get access to the invoices. So that's it really. It's quite a simple application. What we've done is we've built a SharePoint app that allows everyone who has access to Office 365 and SharePoint to gain access to ClearBooks to be able to see all the invoices. Now, of course, our app just accesses ClearBooks, but this can access any data in any system. So using the SharePoint app model, we can integrate with any third-party solution, any SaaS product, or any bespoke software that you've had written that's hosted in the cloud. So if you've got any requirements for integrating with your SharePoint installation, please give us a call on 01246 541 920 or drop me an email at rob.gregory@magnifica.co.uk.